Gave Hawaii emojis for Christmas, and here's how you can make them on iOS. First, start with an image. If you don't have images, click the first link on my link tree, which will take you to this doc where I saved all of the emojis that I made. I didn't create these images, I found them mostly on Canva. So first, pick the image that you want to make into an emoji sticker. Eo Molokai. Screenshot it and crop it down. Save it to your camera roll or find another image that you like. Then in your camera roll, find it, long press it, click add a sticker. Then it should add into your collection. When you go to text, it should appear when you click emoji, and you can do 1 for a large image, 3 for medium-sized images, or 4 or more